Hi guys, I hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. I'm here to share with you my haul. It started today, November 18. Before we get started, you can subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'm going to share with you my haul. The first picture you're going to see is the items that I are all together for today. But I also was able to purchase a few items last night since there was early activation. I couldn't do everything last night because like the Colgate coupon was only going to print on Sunday. So that's why you see two separate pictures. But I'm going to share everything how I did. Everything came out to like 57 cents for each item. A lot of them were freebies. But the DiGiorno, since there was no coupon, that was, I think, the most expensive one. But I was able to save a lot of money. So let's just get started. For the Suave Care, this is a pretty easy deal to do. It went pretty smooth, and this coupon expires today on Sunday. So purchase two of the Suave. As you can see, the original price is $4.39, but they're on special for $3, so there's really savings there. When you buy two, your total will be $6. You could use that printable coupon. No, it's an insert actually that expires today. You deduct $3, you pay $3. You get back 4 ECB, making it free and $1 moneymaker. If you want to do this deal, make sure that you do it up to Wednesday because after Wednesday, it will no longer be available. This is a 4-day deal. I was able to do this deal last night and I had no issues with the early activation. I was able to use my coupon since the coupon expired yesterday, and I did it twice on two separate cards in two separate transactions. So I purchased the Volume Express. In my store, they go for $7.99, so it's on special. So right there, you're able to save $1. I used that coupon, so I paid $4.99. I got back 5 ECB, making it free. I don't know if you have seen this in your store yet, the Physicians Formula, the Natural Beauty. These are all type of good things for your skin, for eye makeup, the balm, and also the oils. I already have purchased the balm, and so far I'm really liking that. I just needed the eye makeup remover. That's for $6.99, and the oils, I'm trying the orange one for $13.99. So buying those two products came out to $20.98. I had a CRT deducting 4 of 15, so I used that. So I paid $16.98. I got back 10 ECB, making it $3.49 each. This store, I didn't have other items. I didn't even have the kid or anything that was $5.99. So I think this was the best way for me to get things that were new at a more affordable price. So the next deal I did was the next. These are selected items, so make sure that the ones you are selecting is part of the deal. That when you buy two for $11.98, I had to keep checking. You could check the price on the Redbox machine because some are not included, but the one in the picture here was included. So what I did was I purchased two. I came out to $11.98. I had a CRT deducting 2 of 12, any cosmetics. So I used that. I paid $9.98. I got back 10 ECB, making it free. And I did this in 3 different transactions, I believe. So they all came out to free because I had CRT for every card. Whole Blends has hair treatments on special from $7.29 on special for $3.99. You don't get any ECB, but that's a pretty good deal. They have the hair mask, they have the oils, and they also have the leave-in conditioner. Since I already have the oil and the mask, I wanted to try the leave-in conditioner, which is the green bottle. And I have this coupon that printed in one of my receipts that it says 2 off Garnier Fructis treatment, and there's a coupon that we all are going to get on today's paper, deducting $2 off on hair care including treatment. So together with those coupons is $4, and the price for the products is $3.99, so it came out to free. The next deal was the Garnier Fructis. This is for the hair care. These are 2 for $7. So I purchased 2, and the total would have been $7. But there is a coupon that came on Sunday's paper as well today, deducting 3, and I had a CRT deducting 3 of 2. So right there from $7, I paid $1. I got back 2 ECB, making it free, and $1 moneymaker. It's crazy to see that you could get toothpaste for free, especially Colgate Optic White. This one anybody could do. This is something that if you scan your card, you will get, everybody should get this coupon printed. $3 is a CRT once you scan your card. And also there's a coupon on today's paper. So you buy today's paper, you could use that coupon. Make sure that you did get that coupon, deducting 50 cents off. So you don't get any CRT, so you pay, the total is $3.50. You use those 2 coupons, deducting $3.50, and it just comes out to free. So I also did the holiday cash card. When you spend 30, you get $10 cash card. That's a pretty good offer right there. I did wanted to get the DiGiorno, even though there's no coupons for that. And also I wanted to buy the Neutrogena. I've been hearing so many good things about the Hydro Boost, and they tend to be a little expensive. So I combine the DiGiorno with the Neutrogena, and so I could be able to get the cash card. You don't have to do this deal because it is a little expensive, but I did also want to take advantage of those coupons that were available a few weeks back. So this is what I did. So what I did was I purchased two of the pizza. These are the big sizes, the 12-inch. So I was able to get two for 11. I also purchased two different Neutrogena. I wanted to take advantage of those coupons that were available last week to print. And it was a cleanser was for the moisturizer was for $12.49. It was a little bit more expensive in the store. So I used the coupon that deducted $4 for the moisturizer. Then I bought the cleanser for $9.19. That deducted $2 for that coupon, and I also had a coupon that printed in my receipt saying that it could deduct $4 off my $20 purchase. So from $32.68 I paid $22.68. I got back a $10 cash card, making everything $12.68 for the two pizza and the two Neutrogena items, or $3.17 each. So my haul came out to $161.18 with the ECBs, the credits, the coupons, the discount price. My total came out to $16.57. I had a beauty reward ECB that I used of $3. So then my total came out to $13.57. And I had 24 items that I purchased, making everything either $13.57 for my whole trip or 57 cents for each item. But from 161 to $13, that's a pretty good deal. There's a lot of items that I did wanted to purchase, even though they had any coupons or they're just new items as well. So this is why I really love couponing. I wanted to share my haul today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend and getting ready for the holidays, for Thanksgiving, and I'm going to provide also all this information in my blog if you wanted to go and visit and check it out. If you haven't printed some of these coupons that are available, I'm going to put them in the description box in case, or if you still have them, just look at them and to make sure that you still have them before they do expire. So thank you so much for your support, for watching this video, and for subscribing to my channel. So until the next video, bye.